Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a multi-purpose detergent. So we are going to be using 250 grams of Ungarol. So that is what we start by pouring into our bucket. Remember, I'm going to be sharing all the materials we are going to be using in the description down below. Then we are going to pour in 250 grams of industrial salt and then mix thoroughly. So for mixing, for it to make work easy, I'm going to be using an electric mixer, but you can use a wooden stick. Once you're done mixing that, we are going to add 125 ml Ufacid. And once you've done that, we are going to mix thoroughly. Once everything has mixed into the other, this is when we add our water. Remember, we are going to make 5 liters worth of detergent, so have 5 liters of clean water near. And what we are going to do, and something that I always do, is that the first 2 bottles that we used, you can see that we still have something inside, so we are going to add some water and make sure we've used up that entirely. Remember, while you add small quantities of water, remember to keep stirring. And since my mixer is not long enough, I'm going to change. Now I'm going to use a stick. Remember, if you don't have a mixer, you can use this kind of stick. It also works, but the mixer saves you a lot of time and it mixes perfectly. So the next thing that we're going to add is 20 grams of caustic soda. We're going to mix in our perfume. Remember, this is optional. And finally, we're going to mix in our color. Remember, color pigment is also optional. You can or not use it. Now, once your detergent is ready, we can now pour it into the containers that you would want to use it to store.